All right, so what we're going to be doing here is we're building a casing, and we haven't nailed anything together. We just got our boards cut and ready to go. We've got our door, and I've made little tick marks as far as where the hinges are going to go. And we're going to use a router. Now, Adam, you want to go ahead and place this is going to be a router guide. And basically what we'll do is where you see the little tick mark on the end, we'll line it up with that, clamp it into place, and we'll be able to just drop the router in there and take all the wood out we need for the hinge. On the side over here, these are depth gauges to set for your different size hinges. We're just using a standard 4-inch hinge. When the hinge is installed, there's what you're going to be looking at. So we're going to go ahead and get the router ready, and I'm going to let Adam router it out. All right, we've set it where the hinges will be at 7, 36, and 65 inches top of each hinge. All right, Adam, go ahead. Now you can do this same thing using hammer and chisel, but as we always talk about, tools make the job, and the tools sure made this job easy. There you go. One non-pre-hung door installed. Want more videos like these? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It'll keep you informed.